tarbiwul ni taalibe kak sëriñam ndax yaay wàlli wala yow mi di doom suma yaay boy international
Don't forget to subscribe.
Good day everyone out there watching us live on VM International TV. Just to let you know, we are right at Banjul International Airport and we came to welcome Royal Messanjah. We all know Royal Messanjah is one of the best artists when it comes to reggae. So let's go and see how far he is doing over there, because he is coming. As you can see, Royal Messanjah is over there coming. We don't know exactly what we're going to expect from him, but we believe that this time around he has spent a lot of time we're going to see and welcome him. That's his arrival. He has just arrived at the moment.
Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.
The man of the year called Royal Messanjah, he's around and he's already in his hometown, the Gambia. We all know Royal Messanjah traveled all the way to Sweden and now he's back home. Royal Messanjah, say hi to the people of Gambia.
Hi everybody, this is Royal Messanjah and I'm proud to be home.
I can see that. It's been a long time.
It's been decades, man.
So how was your holiday?
It was good, but
what?
it was freaking cold, man.
What do you mean?
It was freaking cold. I couldn't make it.
Like,
you know,
seriously?
because it was too cold. But thank God I've managed to stay. And
Okay.
I enjoyed the stay anyway.
So how was the journey, and what were the reasons why you left the country, the Gambia, to go all the way to Sweden?
Searching and seeking knowledge, because seeking you will find, and as a musician, as an artist, you need to seek and you need to research. So
Okay.
I was on a journey,
And what was the journey all about to you?
learning
I know.
and learning.
I want you to explain. What have you learned?
Meeting up with different producers, meeting up with different people with different experience and
Wow.
different thoughts and different state of minds,
Okay.
which really I've upgraded in many ways because I've learned a lot.
I was told that you also went there to produce some music. Is this true?
Yes, I was having an album with a producer,
Who is that guy?
Andreas.
Okay.
He has produced Omu Sankara and he has produced Sehlo. He has produced big names anyway.
So will you mind to give us any freestyle of yours that Gambians will really love to hear today?
Sigil nga xool ma sama xol yaa koy dundal baby, sigil nga xool ma sama xol yaa koy dundal baby, du ma mës a tàyyi di la boy baby. Blessed. Thank you very much.
What do you mean? This is Wolof song. You know, I was thinking you're gonna sing a English song, but why do you choose to sing this song?
I'm a Gambian.
I know you're a Gambian.
And I'm African.
Do you love Gambia?
It's my country.
I know.
It's my so.
Okay.
I'm proud to.
I would love you to say. I don't know whether you understand Mandinka or do you understand Mandinka?
I tried.
You try.
Yeah.
Apa moliye todung?
Nato mu alligate.
Alige.
Yeah.
Pero mana neka pete Royal Messanjah.
Because everything that God's created is royal.
Mandinka kango. Have you forgotten? But you said that you are a Gambian, so at least.
Ilaf nga mandingkol fa.
Mandinko, and Mandinko fa muli aye. Apa bang? So you mean?
I think you should just translate it. Everything that God's created is royal.
I know. Ako ale fen deda woman fen de mi alon ko atilinta aseniata.
And we all are messengers.
And in tolbe mu mola de mi alon ko kuma ko bambulo ko nan ka min di nyola.
And the saddest thing is, if I say the whole world today, I will reveal this to the world. I'm a Mandinka.
Okay, you are a Mandinka, but why can't you speak Mandinka?
My father is a Senegalese.
Okay.
And my last name is Gay.
Okay.
My grandparents are from Cabo, and Gay is Sisoko.
Wow.
Gay is Sisoko. So we are Sisohos. So today I will reveal this on VM.
Okay.
That Royal Messanjah is a Mandinka, and if for further information, we're gonna talk about it.
We're gonna talk about it. Okay, but before we go, I was also told that you're gonna have a show at Q City.
Yeah.
Why do you choose to do a show immediately after coming from Sweden to Gambia?
Yeah, because I want to do a festival that can be hosted annually
Okay.
and produce upcoming artists, and then I just want to play my part
You
in
want
the
to
music,
play your role.
in the music
But
industry.
now, before I will allow you to go, I can see that you are so tired. Everybody, your fans are waiting for you, and it's like I can see a white car over there. You know, it's amazing. So give us a little bit flavor of yours. That is like you are back home from Sweden with all the experience that you got. Now we are here. Give us any flavor to the world now.
That one I would like to walk with you and do it
No, okay. You
while
can go.
while we're walking.
Why not do it?
While we're walking. I am glad to be home, the land of the sun, the land of Kunta Kinte. I am proud to be home. Who gonna help me out? Where's my guy?
They are over there waiting for you.
All right.
Oh yeah, I see that people are welcoming him. What's your name, sir?
My name is Usman, man.
Usman, you love Royal Messanjah?
Messanjah so much.
Do you
man.
love him?
So much, man.
Do you think that you are proud to see him back home?
I'm very proud to see him back.
Wow,
100%, man.
wow,
100%, man.
Okay, what's your name, please?
Junior, that.
Junior?
Yeah, man.
Junior, you also came to welcome him.
Welcome the big
Can
man.
you tell us exactly why he came to welcome him?
You know, I'm a big man in the area. I'm block the city
I can
tighter,
see,
you know.
I can see.
I'm a big man, you know, big man.
So do you love royal sons?
Yeah, real thing.
Which one do you like best?
I like it.
Which
I
one?
like
Which
it.
which one do you like? It's amazing, you know. We're here at the airport. It's beautiful. I can see that Senator is also around here. Senator, yes. How are you?
I'm fine, William.
I can see that you are over happy to see Royal back.
Indeed, I'm very happy to see him back, you know.
Bad influence.
Are you sure?
Yeah, man.
Tell us exactly why do you really appreciate him back home?
Well, you know, it's important, you know, when Gambian artists travel abroad and they come back,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying, as a national broadcaster, we come, you know, receive them at the airport man,
Okay.
and sound their opinion and experience that they've encountered as they travel to Europe, you know. And, you know, Royal is a very good representation of Gambian music, you know. You know, we believe anywhere he goes, he can represent the Gambia good.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm very
Do you
so
think
in
that you have that 100%
Yeah.
belief that he can do it to international level?
Well, I have known him for a while now. That was in Bundung. Sari nyong Bulod, huh?
Yeah, please.
I know him through Bulod from them days, you know. So I've seen the talent long time. So I'm happy that the success is gradually coming, you know.
Okay.
And I think this is a step in the right direction.
Okay.
And we pray in God's name that, you know, millions of these happen.
And
You know
I'm
what
told
saying?
that, you know, DJ Senator is one of the best DJ on JRTS. And now that, have you been playing his songs over TV?
Yes, I've been playing his songs on the radio when my morning show was on, when my
Okay.
Sounds of the Smile.
Which of the songs?
Several, yeah. Yeah, Boy used to be one of my best songs.
International.
Okay, Badingul come ala nyamin dorong. It's all about Royal Messanjah. Ala najang nata ko welcome. We came to embrace him because it's about love. It's about showing caring. Look, Gambia. This is the smiling coast of Africa. It doesn't matter who you are, but as long as you're doing something great, we will welcome you and we will always be there for you. Gambians is for Gambians.
VM so mbali fe kanolela. VM so mbali fe udalolela. VM so alnana njani mbisala wala kano fangole duntana nyiyenju so tumbu. VM so mbali fe kanolela. Muna VM mbe fe udalolela. Apachaki ala follow de wobite on ndingo nyeng. VM so wato tijede alal bulu kondi ngodi kijal ka follow wo wuleri ndingo nyeng. Al wodi kidal ka follow de VM so nyancho bije dijos bije VM bije dimbal